Today I'm making chicken paprikash. It's very good. I think you'll really enjoy it. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm using vegetable oil. I've already seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper. And now I'm going to brown it on both sides. We'll start with the skin side down. I'm going to remove the chicken to a plate and saute the onions with a little pinch of salt over a medium heat until they're golden. I'm going to add the garlic. Saute this a little bit. Now the tomato paste. I love this tomato paste in a tube. Mix that well. Now I'm going to add the flour and we're going to continue cooking and stirring for 3 or 4 minutes. Salt it. All right, I've added the paprika. I have both smoked and Hungarian sweet paprika. We're going to cook this for about a minute. It's going to smell so good. Then add the chicken broth and bring it to a simmer over a medium-high heat. Just skimming off a little of the fat. All right, return the chicken to the pan. All right, baste the chicken. I'm going to turn the heat to low. I'm going to cover it and simmer this for about 45 minutes. All right, now we're going to take the chicken back out. I'm adding sour cream and heavy cream, which I already blended together. We're going to mix this well. Skim off some more fat. Mix this really well, and then we'll return the chicken to the pan. More fat. All right, baste the chicken again. Let it heat all the way through for about 10 minutes. Adjust your seasoning and it's ready to serve. Oh my goodness, the aromas of paprika, garlic, and onions have filled the air. You should be in this kitchen with me right now. And my husband already has his bib on, ready to tear into this. But first we have to take pictures. Just look at this. I've plated it over wide egg noodles with a dollop of sour cream and chives. This is one of my favorite chicken recipes. And I want to thank Chef John of foodwishes.com for creating this recipe. His videos are excellent and very entertaining. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like this video, do us a favor and click the like button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post another video. We hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.